When most people think of microscopes, they think of labs, schools, and serious research facilities. They don't think about kids. But there are plenty of great options when it comes to fostering an interest in science at home. If you have a curious kid looking for a fun activity that revolves around exploration and learning, a microscope is a great option for an exciting gift. However, before you inspire your little scientist to get up close and personal, it's important to understand which make and model will be right for their interests and maturity level. We'll walk you through some of the features to look out for and recommend some of the best microscopes for kids on the market. Number 1. Emscope Beginner Microscope STEM Kit. With a 52-piece set that kids can use right out of the box, this microscope is a great introduction to full-scale STEM research. This beginner kit from Emscope includes a power monocular compound microscope with a color filter wheel, magnification ranging from 120x1200x, LED light illumination, and a stain-resistant metal frame. Inside the ABS carrying case, you'll also find a pair of tweezers, collecting vials, a petri dish, prepared slides, eosin dye, and more. You'll even find a shrimp hatchery with brine shrimp eggs, so your kid can start their first science project immediately. If you're looking for even more fun, grab Emscope's World of the Microscope book, which includes additional projects and activities. This kit is recommended to be used under adult supervision and is unsuitable for preschool-aged kids. Number 2. Omano Junior Scope Science Kit. A microscope is a great gift, but the Junior Scope Science Kit comes with 5 fun experiment cards that will keep your kids entertained after they inspect what they find around the house. This microscope kit from Junior Scope comes with 3 magnification levels, a glass lens, dimmable LED lighting, and a large easy focus knob allows kids to operate the magnification levels independently. The full kit includes 5 fun experiment cards that will walk your kids through different ways to inspect various specimens, including insects, human bodies, plants, and crime scenes. Alongside the cards, this kit includes forceps, a petri dish, dropper, test tube, blank slides, prepared slides, lens paper, and more. Look no further if you want a complete kit to guide a scientifically minded kid. Extra large pieces, an easy-to-use focus knob, and limited magnification make for a frustration-free experience every time. Number 3. Carson Microbright Plus Pocket Microscope. Weighing only 0.15 pounds, this pocket microscope is a great way for kids to get closer to nature during hikes, camping trips, and other outdoor adventures. This compact pocket microscope is an excellent way to explore the outdoors with your kids. While a little trickier to operate than some models made specifically for kids, it's a great option for looking at leaves, insects, flowers, and more. An aspheric lens forces light rays to converge at a single focal point, allowing for more precise imaging aided by a bright LED light. With a magnification power range between 60x 120x, you'll see some incredible detail, though it's recommended that your kids start at the lowest magnification and work their way up. Using the Microbright to look at relatively flat objects resting on a flat surface is best, especially for kids still working on keeping a steady hand. Number 4. Educational Insights GeoSafari Junior Kids Microscope. The GeoSafari Junior Kids Microscope is a great way to introduce science and discovery to young children. It's constructed with small hands in mind, encouraging independent learning without sacrificing functionality. This microscope from GeoSafari Junior is an incredible way to introduce your kids to a wonderful new world full of zoomed-in discoveries. It's designed explicitly with preschool-aged children in mind and features a large focus knob to help kids get used to magnification, starting with 2.5x and expanding to 8x. 2 large eyepieces are comfortable and easy to use, eliminating the need to coordinate closing one eye. A push-button LED light and large viewing plate make this microscope easy to use. Kids can independently place household objects and outdoor finds within view, plus, you can help them use the 12 included slide plates for a more advanced experience. One of the best for 5-year-olds, my first microscope comes in 2 bright colorways, is made from lightweight yet durable plastic, and is battery operated so you can take it outdoors on a nice day. Number 5. National Geographic STEM Kit. A full microscope kit for under $40 that includes mineral chips, prepared plates, a lab guide, and more. This kit from National Geographic is an affordable way to gift a microscope, equipment, and built-in experiments. The microscope itself features a soft eyepiece, large focus knob, and fixed lens, while the full kit comes with 6 plant slides, 6 blank slides, slide case, lab guide, pipette, tweezers, specimen dish, and more. It also comes with 6 mineral chips, including pyrite, amethyst, rose quartz, blue classite, geode, and green fluorite. We can confirm that adults and children alike will enjoy getting close to these sparkly rocks. The National Geographic STEM Kit delivers a full gift set without breaking the bank.